It's a certified 2024 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This is a singular shrine to high performance. The snarling startup growl flows into a passionate, throaty rumble as it unleashes its power. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,